In the small yet vibrant town of Starrydale, hidden behind a wall of ivy and nestled under the shade of ancient oaks, lay a secret garden. This garden, unknown to all but four friends, Mia, Leo, Zara, and Jay, was a world of wonder. Each day, after school, the children would sneak through a small gap in the ivy wall to enter this magical place, their own private paradise. Mia, with her keen eye for detail and a heart full of curiosity, was the first to notice that the flowers seemed to lean towards them as they spoke, their petals quivering slightly as if trying to catch every word. Leo, whose laughter was as loud as his silence was profound, would often sit beside the largest sunflower, convinced it giggled in the breeze. Zara, the storyteller of the group, would weave tales about the trees and the stars above, while Jay, with his notebook always at hand, jotted down notes and sketches of the flora and fauna that called the garden home. As the days turned into weeks and weeks into months, the garden became a canvas for their imaginations, a place where ordinary rules didn't apply. Here, caterpillars told stories of their time as butterflies, and the roses sang lullabies at dusk. The old willow tree, with its gnarled branches and wise, whispering leaves, was a guardian of their secrets, a silent witness to their games and laughter. One twilight, as the sky painted itself in hues of orange and purple, the children discovered a hidden path lined with glowing mushrooms and curious critters that led to a part of the garden they had never seen before. This new area was even more enchanting, with a small pond that shimmered under the moonlight and a family of frogs that croaked harmonious tunes. It was here, beside the pond, that they first heard the soft, melodic voice of the garden itself. The voice spoke of ancient times, of the stars that watched over the earth, and of the delicate balance of nature. Each word was a drop of wisdom, seeping into their young minds, entwining with their thoughts and dreams. The garden became their teacher, each plant and creature a lesson in life and harmony. They learned about the bees and their dances, the trees and their slow, steady growth, and the cycles of the moon that governed the tides and time. The children grew, not just in age, but in spirit and understanding, their bond with each other, and the garden deepening with each passing day. But as all tales go, there came a challenge. The garden, in all its wisdom, began to fade, its colors dimming, its voice growing weaker. The children, united by their love for this magical place, embarked on a quest to save it. They researched ancient lore, consulted dusty books, and sought advice from the oldest tree in the garden. Their journey took them beyond Starrydale, into the heart of ancient forests, atop misty mountains and across singing rivers. They met creatures of legend and lore, each imparting a piece of the puzzle that would help them revive the garden. Through their journey, the children learned about courage, friendship, and the importance of balance in nature. They discovered that the garden's fading was a reflection of the world outside, where forests were being cut down, rivers polluted, and animals losing their homes. Armed with this knowledge and a newfound resolve, they returned to Starrydale. With the help of their community, they started initiatives to protect the environment, educate others, and bring changes in their own backyards. Slowly, as the world around them began to heal, so did the garden. The flowers bloomed brighter than ever. The trees stood taller, and the voice of the garden sang once again, a melody of gratitude and love. The children, now young guardians of nature, continued to visit the garden, each trip a reminder of the adventure they had and the lessons they learned. The Garden of Starrydale, once a hidden gem, became a symbol of hope and change, a testament to the power of a few hearts and hands working together. And as for Mia, Leo, Zara, and Jay, they grew up to be champions of the earth, carrying with them the magic and wisdom of the garden wherever they went. And so, the story of the Enchanted Garden of Starrydale goes, a tale of wonder, friendship, and the enduring magic of nature.